Have you ever been so lucky to have a flat tire in the middle of absolute nowhere, West Texas? I have, and I survived. We've been around the country a time or two and have some tools, tips, and tricks to share to help make your trip a little bit smoother. Let's take a look at everything. First up is a battery jumper. You never know when you're gonna run your battery down and need a jump. This particular unit has a battery built in, so you don't need another vehicle to jump your truck. Some units even serve as a flashlight, a strobe light, and can even charge your phone. Second on the list is a basic toolkit. This one's easy to overlook and forget about, and one of the most important. Tools like Allen keys, socket wrenches, screwdrivers can slip our minds, but can bail us out when needed for the most basic maintenance and even roadside emergencies. Third on the list is a GPS communicator. So with a satellite communicator, you can text friends and family, depending on the provider, even request emergency services. It works anywhere you have a clear view of the sky. Number 4 on the list is flat tire repair spray. Flat tire spray can buy you a few extra miles to get down the road if you happen to run over a nail. Fifth on the list is a battery operated tire pump. Battery operated is great, so you don't have to worry about cord length. Just be sure to keep the battery charged. Last on the list is a spare trailer tire. If your RV did not come with a spare tire, be sure to pick one up. It sure bailed us out. We would love to learn from your experience. If you have tools or tips you'd like to share, please put them below down in the comments. If you did find this helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and share it with some friends that might need the heads up on what they need to keep in their truck. See you next time.